Hey everyone, Billy Foulkes here with MarineMax Houston, y'all's destination boating location here in Houston, Texas. Today I wanted to bring you one of our newest arrivals from Harris Float Boat. This is a 2022 model 230 Cruiser. I'm going to go ahead and start on the outside of the boat. This boat was optioned with the sterling gray and the deep red accent, then black powder coat fence that also is on the bimini top, the rub rail, and throughout the boat. You guys, going into the boat right here, the first thing I want to point out is if you look down, you see 3 tubes. Those are 3 full-length 25-inch pontoons on this boat. That comes with the Performance Package Level 2, which also gives you a 37-gallon gas tank, storage in the floor, and a ski tow bar in the back. Right up front, I want to point out that these are French gray seats. Under all of these seats, there's storage. Right here is a removable cup holder. That's a bimini boot for the bimini tops when you collapse those and you're not using those. This is the upgraded seat package, and you can see that we have the recessed cup holders that have lights built into them. They are color changing. Then there's USB outlets throughout the boat and all those recessed cup holders and other areas. Moving more forward or more to the center of the boat, we have the helm. This boat was optioned with the Simrad Go 9 display. So this is going to be your fish finder, depth finder, navigation, engine information, all built into one. We also have a wireless phone charger right there, of course, all your switches right here, and your digital throttle and shift for that 200 horsepower Mercury. You guys, that's one of the reasons you buy from MarineMax, is because I know everything about these pontoon boats, and we have the best stores there is, the best service that there is. We know everything about them. We can take care of them for you. We're going to keep you on the water safe and happy. Moving back, or actually let's go to the port side right over here. We have an entry and exit gate that is great when you pull up to the dock. You don't have to be on the front of the boat or in the back of the boat. Pull up to the dock, open this door right here, step right off onto the dock. You're going to go to your flip down cleats in the front and in the back of the boat and tie off. Another great benefit of Harris boats is how we order them with the quick release fender system. So it literally is easy as clipping a fender in, hanging it overboard, and you're going to be protected from bumping into things. So that people also like to call them bumpers. So moving back to the back, I'm going to show you guys. So the back kind of mirrors the front, and there's no helm or captain seat over here. You only have that one captain seat over there. This is what's called the center walk-through floor plan. So you have all this room right here to walk through and entertain your guests. When you're buying from MarineMax, another thing that we like to do that I think really benefits our clients is we include all the safety gear on the boat. So you're gonna come with 4 life jackets, a throw cushion, anchor rope, chain, a flare kit, an extra horn, everything you need to be legal. One thing we also offer is we order extra table bases for these boats. So we're gonna throw a table base anywhere on this boat that you want. Say you want one right here or in the front of the boat. One of the cool things about Harris that a lot of the other manufacturers can't really compare to is our table bases are about that thick, and we can put them anywhere you want to. If you wanted a table base right here, we can put it there, and it's not gonna be all in your way when you're walking around. Again, we can install that for you. And in addition to all those items that we provide for the delivery or during the delivery process, we're going to show you how to use the boat. We're going to show you how to use that depth finder. We can go as far as getting into the motor side of things, showing you how to change spark plugs and where the oil is located so you can make sure your engine is running at top performance. But more on the boat. Again, I said it kind of mirrors the front here in the back, but you do have a longer lounger back here. Again, built-in cup holders on either side, storage underneath all these seats. Then moving back here, we have the extended swim platform. If you want, imagine yourself out in Party Cove if you want. You're anchored off the front, you're hanging out in the back, the motor's off, you got your kids climbing in and out of the boats and jumping off the side, or you're just relaxing, you got your lily pad on the water. Say you're sitting right back here facing out, hanging out with your friends that are swimming in the water. You have cup holders back here, a place to put your phone if you have your phone with you, or anything else. Also back here we have the ski tow bar. This boat is optimally powered with a 200 horsepower motor. One of the things I was saying earlier with that digital throttle and shift, it's very easy to move this boat in and out of gear. There's not a wire running from the helm back to the motor. It's as simple as bumping it just like that. Again, if you're sitting at the helm seat, you're driving along, you're like, going, say, 15 miles an hour. I got my wife over there, she's hanging out with my daughter. I have my in-laws up there, say my mom and my stepdad are in town from Florida for the weekend. And my mom wants a drink. I'm gonna get up real quick. I know what's in front of me, I know what's behind me. The lake is calm because I'm out on my day off on a Wednesday. I'm gonna come back here real quick, grab out of the cooler a drink. I hand my mom a water. I hand my daughter a juice packet. And she's just chilling. Again, I wasn't even at the helm. This boat's so easy to drive. The steering wheel's not gonna jerk around on you. And just come back here, sit nice and comfortable. Another one of my favorite things about this boat is just the amount of room for entertaining your guests on board. Imagine you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's nearly the max capacity on this boat, but everyone's comfortable. And again, going back to those tables, we can have a table in the front, table in the back. There's cup holders for everyone. You can't get enough cup holders on a boat. And Harris did not fail when it came to that. They definitely added plenty of cup holders in these boats. Besides that, the engine information and all the information that you have on the screen, your navigation, your fish finder, all that stuff at your finger's reach, and you can obtain that information, is one of the most convenient things that you can get from any boating experience. But yeah, thank you guys very much for your time. Again, MarineMax Houston, your boating destination here in Houston, Texas. We'd love to take care of you. We have sales, we have service, we have a marina with full service amenities here. You guys come and see us soon. My name is Billy Foulkes with MarineMax Houston. See you then.